In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view recently viewed user on Whatnot 2026 step by step. If you've been browsing sellers and want a quick way to get back to profiles you recently checked out, Whatnot makes that easy right from the search bar. I'll walk you through exactly how to reveal that list and share a few simple tips so you know what to expect. Start by going to the Whatnot website in your browser. Once the page loads, you'll be on the home page. This is the main hub with live shows, featured categories, and recommendations. At the top of the page, you'll see the search bar. That's our focus for this walkthrough because the recently viewed users shortcut lives there. Move your mouse to the search bar so your pointer is hovering over it. You don't need to type anything yet. Just getting your cursor over the field gets you ready for the next action and ensures the dropdown can appear where you'll see it. Now click directly inside the search bar. You should see the text cursor appear, showing the bar is active. As soon as it's active, Whatnot typically opens a dropdown below the field. In that dropdown, you'll find a section labeled something along the lines of recently viewed users. This is a convenient list of profiles you've opened or visited recently on this device and browser. It usually includes the user's name, handle, and avatar, making it easy to recognize who you're looking for. Give the list a second to load, especially if your connection is slow. If you have a long history, you may be able to scroll the dropdown to see more entries. To revisit any of those profiles, simply click the one you want and you'll be taken straight to their page. If you prefer to keep the home page open, you can right-click to open the profile in a new tab. On mobile, the idea is the same. Tap into the search field, and your recently viewed users usually appear as tappable suggestions. If you don't see anything show up, a couple of quick notes can help. It may mean you haven't viewed any users recently on this device, or your browsing data was cleared. Also, make sure you're signed in so Whatnot can associate your activity with your account. Interface wording can change over time, but the behavior remains consistent. Click the search bar, then use the drop-down list to get back to profiles you viewed. That's all there is to it. Go to Whatnot, find the search bar, click into it, and use the recently viewed users list to jump back to the profiles you need in seconds.